Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through Airtable. Airtable is our central hub for everything we do for your business. So it will host passwords, usernames, content strategies, anything you can think of, brand guidelines, the stuff we're producing for you, links to videos. It's all going to exist inside of Airtable. It's extremely secure and it'll be tailored for your business. So let's dive in. You're going to have an Airtable that looks very similar to the sample Airtable for videos. So I kind of produced this just for training purposes. And you're gonna have different bases. Most of the time, most of our customers are only using one base. It doesn't make sense to make other bases unless you have, sub-facted companies, which we do have, where there are, key breakaways or verticals that we need to deal with. But in this case, let's just pretend like there's one. So we'll click on this base. The base almost always opens up with passwords. So this is a password hub. You guys can update your passwords, and then instead of worrying about having to call us or send us an email or risking putting that password out into open air, you can log into your Airtable and just change it for us. So we'll check this anytime we get disconnected from an account. And also it's going to be a nice hub if ever anything happens, or if we create certain channels for you, you'll be able to go in there and access your username and passwords. We don't hold anything hostage, which makes us a better marketing company, I promise. Your brand guidelines. This is everything from your fonts to your actual brand guide, if it exists, your headshots, taglines, hashtags, emojis, all the things that you need to have in one place that you might not already have. We've built this for you. So this will be yours forever, and we can start storing things. This list could get a lot longer or shorter depending on what we want to do. Your content punch list is where your content's going to be hosted. There's nothing in this right now. I probably should have put some sample content in there. What you'll find is photos, videos, captions, and those type of things that will exist in here, and the dates that they went out and the dates they were exposed. So you'll have a database for every piece of content that we've ever created for you, and all of the ads as well. So anything that's going out as a paid ad will also exist inside this content punch list. Posting accounts. So let's just say that we only want to target Facebook and LinkedIn. Well, we're going to put those in here. Or if you have 7 executives that would like to see content shared across their personal LinkedIns, we need to keep that in here as well, just so my team knows where these things should be posted on a consistent basis. Target location, of course, these are your target areas. If you're targeting the full United States, we'll put United States in here. If you're worldwide, we'll put worldwide. If you're only targeting one county near Topeka, Kansas, that's great. We're gonna put that in here as well. So this just gives my team an idea, especially if we're driving leads for your business, where we need to drive those leads at. There could be more tabs. A lot of my SEC compliant businesses have a slew of tabs because there's a lot of things we need to do. A lot of my roofing and in-home service clients also have a lot of tabs. It will really just kind of be tailored to your needs, but this is the most important thing we have. You guys can add to it, we can add to it. It's a shared marketing hub that is significantly more powerful, faster, and more efficient than using Google Drives and emails and Dropboxes. This will hold everything. Now, I'm not saying we won't use links to Google Drives and Dropboxes, those things inside of here, but for the most part, this will hold everything, so we're not constantly looking for things. And if you have any questions about this, it should be pretty simple. Just like over here, let's go to the passwords really quick. You have a status symbol. You say you're in here working on your onboarding, you're trying to give us all the information you have, but let's just say for some reason your Instagram doesn't exist. You click doesn't exist, and we will know that we need to get that created. We'll then put it in here, and you guys won't have to do any of that work. We'll build all those channels that don't exist for you. So you can kind of see the collaborative nature of Airtable and what we're trying to accomplish here. This is the most important piece because everything that can be found in your marketing system can be found in here. So if you ever are looking for something or lost a username, a password, looking for content, what's going out next week, everything is in here. So if you guys have any questions, I would be happy to walk through this with you. But I think this is going to be a solid tool for your organization that you can allow multiple people internally to share, all in the safety of understanding that all this is privatized and secure. Thank you guys.